What's up, guys? Here I'm talking about the critical atom power supply, and this is the legit one. It's the actual critical one. It's not that Aurora one or nothing like that. But so while talking about this one, I'm gonna specify all the bullshit that I like about it and everything. But anyways, this one's not new. I actually got it used because I traded my V8 Bronc to a fellow YouTuber slash tattoo artist, Colton, over at Ink Blink. That's his YouTube page. So he got a hold of me on Instagram and asked me about the Hummingbird, machines, and then he asked me about the Bronc pens and asked me if I wanted to get rid of one. And I wasn't really, interested in just getting rid of one, but he said, "Would you like to trade for the critical power supply, the critical atom?" And I was like, I don't know, tell me more about it. So he started talking to me about it, and I liked what he was telling me, and so we did. We ended up trading it. So shout out to you, Colton. Thanks a lot, buddy. I hope you really liked the tattoo machine that I sent you. He actually did a review on it. If you want to go check it out over at his YouTube channel, it's INK space BLINK. So Ink Blink. So this machine, obviously, it lights up. Here, I'll turn this light off so you can see it. See how cool that is? So it goes from 1.5 all the way up to 17 volts. And the thing about this tattoo power supply compared to others is a lot of the other ones, like on Amazon or the ones you can get for like 50 to 100 bucks, they're like 1.5 to 2 amps, maybe 3, but that's peak. That's not continuous. This one is 6 amps peak and 3 amps continuous, RMS continuous, which means there's no dip in the voltage. So it's continuous. So if you have a power supply, a cheap power supply, and you're running your tattoo machine, you hear it go, it fluctuates. That's because the amp is low in your power supply. It's just a city power supply. So just get one with higher amps and you won't have that problem. So this one's really nice. Another thing is on the bottom here, there's there's magnets, and then there's silicone. So you can either put it on a metal surface so that the magnets can hook to it, or you can put it on any other type of surface, wood, plastic, whatever you got, glass, and it won't slide because of the silicone. So that's nice. What else? Okay, using it. So here's the diagram, the chart, but I also have that same chart saved on my iPad as a photo, so I can check it out too if I don't have this nearby. But so using this, there's different modes. So right now, and plus you can have a foot pedal or not have a foot pedal. You can either just push that or not. Let me turn this up though, because it was only on 3 volts. Or I can use my foot pedal. See, right now I have my foot on the pedal, and I'll let go. Just like a regular foot pedal, you hold it and let go. Or you can push this button down, and when it blinks once, it'll turn it to continuous mode. Notice how it blinked once? So now I just click it, and it'll stay on. My foot's not on it at all. I'll click it again, and it turns off. So that's pretty cool. Also, another thing is, if you push this and hold it until it blinks twice, see how it went twice? It'll do a what's that mode called? Jump start. That's right, the jump start mode, to where if you have a rotary or something, to where you need it to go, like if you need to flick it to start it. Notice it was like, it went to a higher voltage and then back down to the maintaining voltage that you have it set at, so that it kick starts and then it stays at the volt that you have it set at. That way you don't have to flick it or touch your armature bar in any way. So that's pretty cool. And to turn that off, you just hold it until it blinks twice again. And then it goes back to whatever you had it set up. So that's pretty fucking awesome. So all in all, I am very happy that I got this. I just got it today. Well, last night. I've just been checking it out today. So I'll let you know more about it when I actually tattoo with it, but right now I'll let you. This is my machine that it's a knockoff Dan Cuban, and I put a Swiss motor in it, so it actually works really, really well. But anyways, I have other machines out and everything, but I don't give a shit about those. It's all about this. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, just hit me up. This is $200. I absolutely love it, and if you guys want to get one, check it out, get one. The knockoff one of these is not as good as this, and the innards are nowhere near as good as this. It's only 1.5 amp continuous, and this is 3, so it's literally double. So there's no dips. Just that lets you know how good this machine is. All right, guys, you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later.